Welcome to Diefenbaker Seeds. Melody and I were in our boardroom. For us, it started with our brand name, our logo. We determined it would be Cashmere Valley.
So after a few years of doing our bulk 55 pound, 100 pound bags, we got a lot of push from the market to do a retail brand in our 2 and 4 pound catering to the ethnic market. So this is our result. We do this all in-house. And the name Cashmere Valley caters to the ethnic market. We sell truckloads of this to our distributors. We do the basin, we do the grinding right in-house. We have grinding facilities, and these products are used on a daily basis in the East Indian ethnic markets.
So our product is available in those ethnic stores in Saskatoon and through Western Canada and the US. We have about 30 different commodities: flax, suji, ground coriander, whole coriander, barley, yellow pea flour, coriander whole seeds, kabuli, 3 different sizes or 4, red lentils, green lentils. All our consumer packaged, ready to ship product is over here. We have a farming operation where we grow these special crops: lentils, peas, chickpeas, corianders, and other items. We value add in probably the most basic way. We bag it and we ship it to somebody else that can process it. Where would we be today without companies like mine, Walker Seeds, Simpson Seeds, to develop and start markets, relatively small volumes, and make them big major crops today? You know, we can talk about canola, flaxes, mustards, the chickpeas, lentils. It all starts someplace, and it doesn't start big. It has to start someplace it's small. So Diefenbaker Seeds, we've been a lot of things to a lot of different people over the years. Today, this is Diefenbaker Seeds, our employees: Teddy, myself, Lionel, Melody, Verna, Stephanie, Brett, Billy, Harvey, Dan, Randy, Teddy, Rex, and Jordan.